Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what is the future of this connection. So I want to announce something. Actually, my community space has been unlocked recently, few days back. So I request you all to please check my community space so that you will get the notifications from my channel. As I already posted regarding the poll I have posted, like which reading you want next. Then some votes came for this future of this connection, so I'm doing the reading now. So even the poll also, it didn't reach to all the subscribers, it looks like. So I request you to turn on the notification bell symbol, and also you have to turn on all so that you can get all the information from my channel immediately. And also I have started one more new channel, which is same Synchronicity 1123 Ask Believe Receive, that is law of attraction channel. If you are any one of you are interested, you can subscribe to my other channel also. There I will be only discussing about law of attraction, how to manifest everything in your life, the tips and techniques, how to follow law of attraction in day-to-day life. All those things I'll be explaining you there, and I will be also doing along with you so that we all can grow together. Okay, main reason of starting the other channel is only to grow together as a family. Okay, so if you are interested in that topic subject, so you can subscribe to the other channel also. And one more thing, I'm getting emails for the tarot reading lessons. Okay, so this is happening from past 6 months. Then I was busy with my work, but now I left my job, and by God's grace I no need to work anymore. So I'm dedicating myself for this tarot readings, then law of attraction. So slowly we can grow together, that is the reason. Then so as per many of the requests and emails, whoever has taken the personal readings, and they were asking about the tarot reading lessons. They were asking, ma'am, can you teach us how to read the card so that we can use it on our own, like whenever we are in a need, or whenever we are in a like urgency to know something, or when we are anxious, sad, or anything like that, we also want to use the tarot cards on our own. So for that reason they were asking about the tarot reading lessons. So finally, as I left my job, and I am free now, so I am going to start the tarot lessons from November 13th. Okay, so few of them have replied in my email saying that yeah, we are interested. So if you all are also interested in this tarot reading lessons, you can contact me through email. Okay, so this will be basic tarot reading lessons, and it will be for the beginners, so that they can use it on their own. Okay, so that's all. These are the few announcements I want to do. And don't forget to check my community space, so that you will get more and more information about my channel, so that it will be beneficial for you also and me also. Recently I've posted for the free one question reading for full moon, which is yesterday, and only few of you have sent the questions, and I have replied to all of them. So if you check my community space every day, then you will get to know more and more. Sometimes suddenly I will give free readings also, then sometimes I'll come live also, because last time live session was not successful, but this time I will do it properly. And I want all of you also to check the messages which I am posting, so that you also can come live in my channel. Okay, that's all. Then nothing else. Yeah, we have three piles here as usual. Pile number 1, this white quartz. Pile 2, yellow quartz. And pile 3, the tree agate. Okay, so whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can take time, pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose the pile accordingly. Okay, then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, without wasting much time, let us start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for your constant support and motivation to do this reading every day. I know views are very less. Actually, I am contacting YouTube people because my notifications are not going to everyone. It seems there is some problem. I am working on that. Then after that, everybody will get the notification. Okay, that's all from my side. Let us start the reading. Whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? So you have any special someone in your life and you are worrying about this connection, where it will go, where it will end. Some of you are talking, some of you are not talking with your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, crush. Okay, it can be anybody. So you don't know what will be the future. Maybe you have a friend but you don't know where this connection will lead to. So that is the reason you will watch this reading. You are watching this reading. So let us pull some cards and ask spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. Seven of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Five of Cups, Four of Cups, Queen of Cups, then Six of Cups. Cups are more here. Okay, bottom of the deck we have Page of Wands. Okay, so let me pull some more cards from my other tarot deck. Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Let me move the cards a little up. It is again Page of Wands, Page of Suns, then the Magician, Four of Cups again. Bottom of the deck we have Nine of Stars. Okay, these are all the cards I got for pile number 1. So let us see. Okay, before starting the reading, I would like to tell you the signs here. So the signs I can see here are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is very prominent here. So your person might be any one of them. They have this sign in their chart. Then we have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also, and Sagittarius is prominent here, I can see. Then very few of you will have this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so that's all the signs I can see here. So let us start the reading. The person you are talking about, so I can see there is a blockage between this connection. If you are talking or not talking, there is a blockage. So maybe you are thinking the other person in one way, or the other person sees you in another way. Maybe there is some misunderstanding between both of you. That means you both are not talking to each other in a clear manner. So you are not expressing your feelings clearly. So maybe both of you are a little bit prideful. So you both are not opening up actually. So this person is imagining things and you are imagining things. You both are feeling that okay, no. So I feel that you both are a little bit prideful. Okay, so you don't want to let go of your ego and surrender yourself to other person. Both of you are like that. So especially this person is very very prideful, because Page of Wands is there. Page of Wands means very determined person. They don't want to let go of their ego. They don't want to bend in front of anybody. So they'll be very straightforward, and they are if they want something, they will get it. Okay, so that kind of determination, passion, very fast movement, then very ambitious. So this person is like that. So they have that self control, and they have that self respect. They cannot flow away with their emotions. They have lot of control of their emotions. They don't just carry away with their feelings and emotions. They have strong control. Then they are, because they are not expressing their feelings, but still they are watching this connection growing. Okay, so they feel that they have put a seed into the ground, and it is growing as a tree. Okay, so they are waiting for it to reap. So they didn't leave you. They have feelings towards you, but still they are not expressing, but they are waiting for it to grow. Actually, they are waiting for the right time. So maybe for some of you, they want that financial stability. Okay, otherwise for some of you, they are waiting for it to grow, the feeling to grow, and finally you both can express to each other. So they are waiting for that moment. But whichever way, they are little bit confused between two things or two people. So they are blindfolded. They don't know what you are thinking, what you are feeling. So they don't know what exactly they want to do, they want actually. So that is the reason they are confused, because two of swords is there. They are confused between two people or two things. Okay, and they are stuck, they are not able to move. But at the same time, they are feeling very sad about this connection, because this connection is not growing, and it is like limited to friendship only for some of you. So they are feeling very very sad. For some of you, it is already like you got some fight and separated, so they are mourning the losses. They are feeling that okay, it is done over, it is, everything is done now, nobody can do anything, that kind of a pessimistic way. And they are also in depression for some of you, because nine of swords is there. Nine of swords means they are crying at night, not feeling well. They went into depression, lot of sadness, lot of fear, lot of anxiety. So for some of you, this messages I'm getting, that you are already separated, and you both are, there is no way that you can reunite. That kind of feeling that other person is having towards you, and this connection. So they are crying at night, and they are not able to come towards you, because they have ignored you earlier. When you offered your cup of love, they ignored you. They didn't accept. Maybe they have some fears in their mind, or they have some anxiety issues, they have some health issues. For some of you, they might be having some health issues which they are not telling you, which they are not revealing you. And for some of you, they don't want to bend, and they feel that if I share my feelings to the other person, they might see me little low, or they might not respect me. So that kind of feelings this person is having. And this person, for some of you, I can see you are a single mom, or a single dad. Okay, so I can see some children also. You are very abundant person in your life, but only thing is, you are, that is the reason you both are not opening up to each other, because you are also in high position, and you are also like little matured, and you have your own self respect and status. So you don't want to bend towards them and tell them, okay, I like you and I love you, I want to marry you, something like that. You both are not telling to each other. Okay, so then this person might be your childhood friend, classmate, college mate. This person, you know this person already. So this person, sorry friends, my kitty is shaking the camera. Okay, so this person might be, you already know this person, you have some cycles also with this person is like, you know, there for from many years, you know this person. For many of you, because six of cups is there, so it is childhood love, childhood sweetheart, innocent love, pure love. Okay, so what is happening here is, you both are manifesting each other, because the magician card is there. So you both are manifesting each other, but you guys are not telling your feelings to each other. You are not expressing your feelings to each other. That is the only problem here in this connection. The same thing, because maybe they have proposed you, or you have proposed them, but some of you have ignored or rejected or refused So one of the reason can be you are a single mother or a single father. So because of the social conditions or family conditions, you or the other person, you both are not expressing to each other. So now let us see what is the future of this connection, spirits and angels. Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us one card of summation. Please give us one card of summation. What is the future of this connection, spirits and angels? Okay, actually I wanted one card, but two cards flew away. So death and the another card is the Empress. Okay, so definitely whatever situation is happening right now, it should die. The death of ego, death of your pride, then only this connection will regrow. And because of this Empress, meaning you all know Empress meaning abundance, then wife material, pregnant lady. So definitely this has a very bright future. Actually I wanted one card only, but universe has given me two cards, saying that it is like a kind of not moving anywhere. Why? Because of your misconceptions about each other. First you have to let go of all the past, whatever happened between you. You have to let go of the past. Then you have to, both of you have to sit together and you have to discuss, this is how I am feeling. Then they will also express, because this connection is having lot of growth, because you can see the pregnant lady and the growing baby. Okay, so that means lot of abundance is there in this connection. Only thing is blocking here is because of your anger or doubt. Some of you have some addictions. So all these negative feelings, negative emotions, or self image, okay, that is blocking these connections. Once you let go of all the negativity, then definitely you will be abundant, prosperous in this connection. You will get married to each other, and you will have children. It is a very very beautiful connection, I'm telling you. Okay, congratulations, pile number one. If you need any clarification, any personal reading, you can contact me. Please don't forget to check my community space, then you will get the notification. That's all I have for you, pile number one. Then until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow quartz, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the future of this connection. So you have a connection with a specific someone, and you want to know where this connection will lead to. Maybe it is your boyfriend, girlfriend, or wife, husband, or crush, or a friend actually. So it can be anybody. So you can see this reading, view this reading for anybody who are there in your life. You can ask about them, what is the future of this connection. Okay, it is love related, so it cannot be used for your siblings or parents or relatives. Okay, so it is a romantic connection which you have with somebody else, or it will you want to have. Okay, okay, the first card is Moon. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Nine of Pentacles, the Magician, the Sun, Five of Wands, Strength, and bottom of the deck we have the Emperor. So let me pull some more cards. What is the future of this connection, spirits and angels? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, this is the Temperance, Four of Wands, Five of Pentacles, then the Magician again. So before starting the reading, I will tell you the signs first. Okay, I can see Aries very strong here, Pisces, then I can see Sagittarius, then Leo, all fixed signs, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus and Scorpio. Apart from that, I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, And yeah, that's all. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, as I already told. Okay, these are the signs which can be your person's sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign. Please take it however it resonates. Okay, so the person whom you are asking about, this person might be little elder to you, or there is a father figure who is interfering in this connection. Somehow I feel whoever chose this pile, they are asking about their husband or a wife. Okay, they are already married and they are asking about wife or a husband, their spouse they are asking. Okay, so in this connection, either your person is very prideful, little matured, elder than you, and they are little dominating or narcissistic, controlling. Okay, that kind of a person. Or you have anybody, any father figure interfering in this connection, your connection. Okay, and there are a lot of secrets that are not revealed in this connection. Maybe that other person is feeling you have some secrets, you have some hidden things that you are not telling them, or they might be having some secrets which they are not sharing with you. So that is the reason this misunderstanding is happening in this connection. Okay, so there will be, I can feel that this is definitely a married people and they are asking about their spouse, or they got engaged, and after engagement there some conflicts are coming, then you don't know whether you will get married to this person or not. So different scenarios I'm getting here. Okay, so definitely mother also interfering in this connection. There is a mother, father, parents I can see here interfering in this connection, and they are saying no to this connection, and they are saying this person is not right for you. They are because of them you both are not able to unite. Okay, so definitely this person is very very independent, freedom loving. They are ready to actually fight for you with their parents, with the society or relatives. They're very abundant, they are rich also, they have lot of free thinking, free spirit, spirited person. Okay, but the thing is, because of their family they are not able to come towards you. Definitely they feel that you are their happiness because the sun card is there. So magician came twice, that means definitely you and this person also, you both are manifesting each other into your life, and you want to reunite and you want to start a new connection again. Okay, so definitely you both are soulmates, because I can see the strength and magician, you can see the infinity symbol. So definitely you both are soulmates. I can also see that they feel that there is a competition in this connection. Maybe you have some other options also, maybe other matches also you are getting. So they feel that there is a lot of competition in this connection. If they have to win you, they have to fight with other people. There is a lot of fighting, disagreement, but still they are keeping up the strength. They are feeling that no, no, I should be strong, as my feelings are strong, our connection is very pure and very strong, so I have to stand for it, I have to wait for that. They are keeping up the strength, they are not losing hopes. Definitely they are planning something so that this connection will work, and you both can be together. So there is no balance in this connection actually. So they feel that sometimes you say yes, I like you, or I'm in love with you, but the sometimes you say no, I have to, I'm confused, I need more time, I have to think about this. Then some people will say that no, no, my parents are not accepting, so I have to think about them. So there is lot of disagreements, discussions. One day you will be very very happy, then other day you say no, no, this connection will not work. So like that it is so there is no balance. This connection needs little bit balance emotionally. Once you both are balanced in this connection, definitely you can fight with your parents, or you can convince your parents and all. Then you can be together, because I can see this four of wands, it is a marriage card. Either you are already married who are watching this reading and you are asking about your spouse, otherwise you will definitely get married once you get this balance, because marriage card is there. Okay, so you have all these struggles, then definitely you will overcome all these struggles and you will get married to each other. Then in other words, there is a five of pentacles also. So that means you both are hurt in this connection, maybe because of your family or relatives and all. You also might have fought with each other, and you have used such words that it wounded the other person also, or the other person also used the same thing for you. So you both are wounded warriors, but still you both like each other, and you both want to walk in the same direction. That means you both want to be in each other's life, but still I feel there is lot of secrets involved in this connection, which has to be cleared or clarified. Then only you will be moving ahead. For very few of you, I'm getting that the other person is already married, and you didn't know when you were in connection with this person, but recently you came to know. Once you came to know about this person and their marriage, then you broke up with this person, you fought with this person, then you cried, lot of things happened in between both of you. So that is the reason you both are wounded, you both are hurt. Okay, so that can be very few of you. So maybe the other person whom you are talking asking about viewing this reading, that person might be already married. Okay, so let us see what is the future of this connection. Spirits and angels, please give us one card of summation. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance. Okay, the world. Okay, so whatever is happening between you, it is actually completed. Okay, the world is not that positive card, I would say. So whatever is the connection which you have with this person, okay, even though there is a lot of strong potential for the marriage, but the world card says it is ended. Okay, the cycles are ended, and it is kind of maybe this connection might work, but there is no guarantee. But let me pull one clarifier for this world card. But it is I am getting the message that this is completed, this connection is already ended and completed. The cycle is completed in your life, so you have to move on, you have to move to the other direction or other person. Let me pull one more clarifier for this card. Why this world card came as the card of summation? Please clarify, spirits and angels, please clarify. Okay, again strength. Okay, so that means definitely you have to be strong in one way, so it might work, but there is no surety or guarantee that it will work, because the cycle is already ended in your life. There is lot of disagreement and all, but still universe is saying that keep up your strength, you have to be strong, because strength card came twice. You have to be strong. Even if you want to continue in this connection, this struggle will be there forever. If you are ready to face it, then you can stay strong in this connection and you can continue. Otherwise, this is already completed. Okay, the world means that is completion of a cycle. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell symbol and check my community page. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the future of this connection. Let us ask spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? King of Cups, Ace of Cups, the Chariot, Ten of Pentacles, the Lovers, Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck we have the Hermit. Okay, let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? One card flew away. Let me take it. Okay, this is Three of Swords. Let me pull some more. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Spirits and angels. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Then the Death. Bottom of the deck we have the Magician. Okay. So before starting the reading, I would like to tell you the signs here. Okay, the signs I can see here strongly, that is Virgo, then Cancer, Gemini, Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Very few of you will have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, all the fixed signs will be there, like Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, and Leo. Okay, that's all I have. I can see the signs. These signs may be your person's sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay, please take it however it resonates. So let me start this reading. So for this pile, I feel that you both are not in communication, you and the other person. For many of you, you both are not in communication. So there is a blockage in this connection, there is misunderstanding in this connection. So maybe you blocked this person, or they blocked you in social media, WhatsApp, whatever it is. So they might have blocked you, or you blocked them. There is a blockage, I can see. There is a lot of confusion, misunderstanding, miscommunication. Okay, but still the other person, what I can see about your person is very matured, and for some of you, this person is older than you. There is an age gap, or even though they are young, they are very much matured, like old person. Okay, I can say that old soul. Okay, old soul means they are matured more than their age. Okay, that kind of a person I can see here. So definitely this person is having lot of love for you, and because lovers card also is there, so definitely you both love each other. There is no doubt about that, because lovers card is there. This is divine connection. Angels are guiding your connection, and you both are manifesting this connection. Okay, so you want to start a new beginning, you want to have new beginning, you and the other person, but you both are not talking to each other. Okay, so definitely this person is also waiting. They are searching the information about you. They are doing soul searching, retreating, meditating, manifesting. So they are doing everything for you. For some of you, you might be having the mutual friends, so they are asking your information about you they are asking the information with the mutual friends, and they are checking, they are keeping an eye on you, even though maybe somewhere you block them, and but they have access to other social media or something. So they are checking on you, they are having the eye on you. Okay, they are keeping an eye on you. So I feel for some of you, this person might have traveled long distance, and they are not here with you nearby. So it is for some of you, it is a long distance connection. And also the chariot card involves the travel. If they want to come towards you, they have to travel and come, and they are planning also, because they want to start a new beginning. Okay, for some of you, this person is already you both are married, you are watching this reading for your spouse. Okay, but because of some third party, you both are separated and heartbroken. There is some third person interference is there in this connection. Or for some of you, this person is already married, so their wife or a husband is the third party, or you are the third party in this connection. But you both have lot of feelings, lot of love, lot of compatibility. Okay, so you both feel that you are made for each other, meant to be together, divinely connected. So you are waiting for the right time. So Wheel of Fortune means definitely this whatever stagnant energy is there, it will end, it will complete, then it will start, a new cycle will start, because the Wheel of Fortune, wheel is turning into your favor. So whatever happened is happened, it is ending, and you will be definitely having the new beginning. But for some of you, very few of you, I am feeling that because of the death card, so death and rebirth, for some of you, you might be separated forever because of the third party, because they are already married. For some of you, if at all the other person you are watching, if you are if you know that the other person is married already, then definitely this connection will not move ahead. Okay, the death card is there. But if it is your spouse already, you both are married, and for this, because of this misunderstanding, if you got separated, then definitely rebirth will happen in this connection. Everything is dead now, but definitely the rebirth will happen because the lovers card is there. So definitely you have lot of love towards each other, so you have to be together. But let us pull one card of summation. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give me one card of summation. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some clarity. What is the future of this connection? Thank you, spirits. Okay, the moon. So definitely there are a lot of secrets involved in this connection. So this connection will not move anywhere. Okay, because even though you have lot of feelings towards each other, even though you are in love with each other, because of the third party, it will not move anywhere. Okay, because lot of secrets are involved which you don't know, which is not good for you. It is better that this connection should end here, because the death card, moon card together, this is, even though, even if this connection works also, after that there will be lot of issues from the mother side. Okay, mother figure or sister or somebody will interfere in this connection, or their wife, okay, or mother of their children, whoever you are asking about, they might interfere in this connection, and you will become the third party, which is not good. So the outcome of this connection, it is not very positive. But let me pull one clarify card. I need one clarification why this moon card is here. Spirits and angels, please give us one card. Why this moon card is there? Please clarify moon card. Okay, the emperor. Okay, so definitely, even though there are a lot of I can feel again and again, there is one lady in this connection, whether it can be their wife or their mother, sister, whoever it is, they are interfering in this connection. And also they are even the father figure also, even emperor means a father or brother or somebody like that, they are definitely will not make this connection work. They will definitely object, they will be an obstacle for this connection, and they will make sure that this connection will end. So what I feel, the future of this connection, even though you both love each other, because of the third party, because of the other people, this connection might not be fruitful. But rest of all, nothing is there in our hand, right? Everything is in God's hand, and their wish, right? So but both of you are manifesting each other with the magician card. What I can suggest is you can use the law of attraction to manifest this person back into your life. That's all I can say. All the best to pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more readings from my channel. That's all from my side. Until the next reading, bye.